Hey! Welcome to my online classes here at Lash Academies. I'm super excited to have you here, and we are officially kicking things off on the online courses today. So grab your notebook and a pen because I'm going to be sharing a tons of helpful info, little tips and key details that will make your lash lift practice way easier later on. Trust me, it's a small thing that make a big difference. Okay, so first thing first, what exactly a lash lift? Comment down below and let's see your guesses. Alright, here's the answers. A lash lift is when we use a special solutions to curl the natural lashes, and that's it. But the magic is it makes the eye look way longer, more attractive, and makes the eye pop, brighter, more opened, and all around more attractive. It's like the natural versions of lash extensions and just working with what you already have. By the way, lash lift services can go by a bunch of different names. You might have seen them listed as lash curls, curl lift, natural lash settings. Honestly, feel free to get creative with the names. If you have run your own salon or service, giving it a catchy names can totally help drawing more clients. People love something that sounds fresh and unique. One of the coolest things about lash lifting is that it doesn't just curl the lash tips, it also lifted the base too. That means your eyes look way more awake, opened, and less droppy. It's why some people call this a lash pull. It's like the mini eye lift but with no needles or makeup. Now you might be wondering, can I learn how to do a lash lifting? The answer is 100% yes! Literally, anyone can learn these skills, but especially if you are already in the beauty world. Spa owner, lash techs, nail artists, PMU artists, this is a great service to add to your menu, and it's super beginner friendly. And the best part is, the cost to get started is really low. You can buy a basic lash lift kit for just a few dollars, and it's like some takeaway coffee. So, who are your dream clients for the lash liftings? Basically, anyone with natural lashes that are long, healthy. Also, for people who don't like lash extensions, maybe they find them too heavy or irritating. I remember when I used to work a full-time office jobs, I didn't really want to spend the time curling my lashes every morning or dealing with the mascara. And let's be honest, using a lash curler isn't everyone's strong suit. And one wrong move, you might pinch your eyelid and ouch. So for folks like that, lash lifting is a game changer. It gives that curls, wide-eyed look, and that's help you stay put. No daily effort needed. Let's talk money. How much should you charge for a lash lift? Honestly, pricing depends on a few things. Where you're located, your salon setup, your branding, and even how you name your service. But on average, range from 30 to 50. For example, a lash lift could go for 30 to 35, a collagen lash lift that is more premium, so 40 to 45, and if you throw a collagen coating, it's even higher. A lot of places offer combo deals too, like lift, curl, and tint, which give the clients more value and let you charge more. So with just a one core service, you can create a whole bunch of packages and adjust prices depending on your client's need. Smart and profitable win-win situation.